Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make a stone cutter in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So firstly, what you need to do is simply go ahead and collect some stone. In order to go ahead and make stone, actually when you mine it, you will have cobblestone. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and head straight for your furnace. And inside of your furnace, you want to simply go ahead and in your furnace, you want to simply go ahead and place down your cobblestone, which will simply go ahead and smelt into a stone, just like this one right over here. If you want to watch it right here, there you go. And once you've gotten your stone, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head to your crafting table. And in your crafting table, all you need to do is simply go ahead and place 3 stones. So 3 stone on the bottom, just like that. Wait, let me just go ahead and get some more stone. And you will also definitely need iron ingot, so simply go ahead and get those as well. Now, what you want to do is place 3 stone in the bottom and then place a iron ingot on top, which will give you your stone cutter. This version of my Minecraft doesn't have it, hence it didn't create it, but that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.